In this video, I'll show you how to set up Pipedrive CRM. Start by signing into your Pipedrive account. When you reach the dashboard, take a moment to complete your company profile and confirm your business settings if prompted. Next, click the More menu, then open Company Settings. Review your company details, invite team members, and configure user roles and permissions if you're working with a team. After that, go to Deals and review your sales pipeline. You can rename existing stages, add new ones, or remove stages to match your sales process. Now import your existing contacts and deals by clicking the More menu, selecting Import Data, and uploading your spreadsheet. Map the fields before completing the import. Next, go to Activities to configure activity types such as calls, meetings, and follow-ups. You can also connect your email and calendar from the Personal Preferences section to keep everything synchronized. Finally, create a test deal, assign it to a contact, and move it through your pipeline to confirm that your CRM is ready for everyday use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Pipedrive CRM. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.